Is Kundalini Yoga good for beginners? Be blessed by the divine. This is Krish Murali Eswar. Kundalini Yoga is great for beginners. It does not require any chanting. It does not require pranayama techniques. It does not require any kind of twisting and turning and complicated yogasanas and postures. It does not require rituals. It does not require idol worship. It does not require any Kriya practices. With the divine touch of the Divine Master, you will be able to awaken your Kundalini shakthi with just a few seconds. Within a few seconds to a minute or so, you will feel your life force tingling in between your eyebrows. This process of simplified Kundalini Yoga has been systematized and given to us by our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. I learnt it when I was in my third year of engineering college in 1984. I was 20 years old. My son, Dr Achyuthan Eswar, my daughter Janani Eswar, and my younger daughter Aditi Eswar, all three of them learned when they finished 14 years of age. From that age, they have been practicing Kundalini Yoga. I have taught this to thousands of people in my life. In fact, one of my favorite groups to teach this is college students. When they finish their 10th standard or 10th form, when they become, let's say, 15 years of age, from that age onwards, from school time onwards, this can be taught to anyone. It is simple to practice. It is safe to practice as well. It does not have any dangerous side effects that used to be associated with Kundalini Yoga in the past. The full credit for this goes to our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. If you have not learned Kundalini Yoga, reach out to vethathiri.edu.in. We have over 2,500 centers worldwide. Remember that most of us, in fact about 99% of us who teach this yoga in the Sky Yoga Center do not take any money for ourselves. We are volunteers. We do this because we have gained immense benefit by practicing this yoga for very many years. We would like you to benefit as well. See you soon. Be blessed by the divine.
வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன்.